get the eggs. I have mayo. I mix 1 egg with 1 big spoon of mayo. Mayo needs, I whisk. I put it in a shallow glass dish. A bit of fat. I use some oil and butter. I put that egg mix of mayo and egg. I microwaved it for 30 to 40 seconds. My God, yo. The best omelet in the history of mankind? Yeah.
Microwave. The best omelette in history. That's saying something. Those are the words of José Andrés, who, by the way, is also from Asturias, like me. He was born 30 kilometers from where I was born. A world of delicious things, that's for sure. This recipe has gone super viral for a while now.
So let's follow his lead. A drizzle of oil in a microwave-safe glass dish. As our friend José Andrés used to say, you could also use butter. That's it. We switched to a bowl, just a bowl, because here we're going to add the egg. Since I'm going to make it a bit bigger than his, I'm going to use double the amount. 2 eggs and also 2 tablespoons of mayonnaise. Mayo, as he used to say. And now we just beat it. We beat it a little until it mixes and forms a kind of uniform liquid. The more air you whip into it, the better. But as long as it's combined, that's enough. So just mix vigorously for a minute, and in the end, you'll have a liquid like this one you see here. If you don't have whisks like these, that's okay. You can do it perfectly well with a fork. Pour that liquid into the dish from earlier, where we had put the oil. Hello, all to mix it up. And we make sure to use every last bit, the last drop, so come on. Don't leave any of this real magic in the bowl. So that's it, we take it to the microwave, which we have here, and we put it on maximum power for about 1 minute per egg, more or less. But there's no problem because you just open it. Check if it's set or not, and if it's not set, you give it 30 more seconds. Do you want to see how it turns out? Of course, let's take them out. I always use oven mitts just in case the glass is too hot. And voila, here it is. You can eat it right out of the container, or if you want to serve it on a plate, just shake the container and it will come out. You just flip it onto a small plate and then put it wherever you want to serve it. It's that simple. Look how amazing it looks. It looks like a regular omelet or tortilla, but when you taste it, you'll be amazed. It's incredible how it turns out. It turns out this good, so juicy and so fluffy, with just 2 ingredients in just 1 minute in the microwave and nothing else. Easy and delicious. Dear José Andrés, hats off to you because sometimes you really surprise us. What an amazing, practical, and delicious recipe.
And if you're really hungry, well, simply, without even needing to do the math, you can just make a bigger portion. You can use 2, 3, 4, or as many eggs as you want, depending on your hunger.
Thank you.
My God. Anyway, you're right, José Andrés. This is thank you. Exquisite. Easy, quick.
Fluffy.
So flavorful without adding anything else. Incredible. I don't know if I should write down the ingredients for you because you know, egg, a spoonful of mayonnaise, nothing else. I hope you liked it, that we made a viral recipe here on the channel and that we got to try it with you. But if you come up with another recipe, leave it for me in the comments. Any recipe you've seen that seems interesting, fun, easy, quick, whatever. Anything that catches your attention and you want me to try, let me know. Maybe I'll give it a shot and I might get a big surprise like I did today. Oh my, this is so delicious and so easy to make. Want more? Look how good this little square looks. Click and enjoy it too.